Christmas is a special time of the year when cities all over the world dress up in their most festive attire. The city becomes a magical place filled with lights, colors, decorations that bring joy to everyone. One of the most interesting things about the city during Christmas is the way the buildings light up. Everywhere you look, there are lights shining bright, turning ordinary streets into shining paths of wonder. These lights make the city feel warm and cozy even on the coldest winter nights. Decorated vehicles are a delightful sight, especially during festive seasons. These vehicles are adorned with an array of colorful decorations, transforming them into moving works of arts. Common decorations include twinkling lights, vibrant banners, and themed ornaments that align with the occasion. These decorative vehicles not only contribute to the joyous atmosphere of an event, but also serve as mobile canvases that reflect the spirit and theme of the occasion. London during Christmas is like a fairy tale come true. Everywhere you look, there are sparkling lights hanging from buildings and lining the streets, making everything feel warm and magical. Big festive decorations in the shape of snowflakes, stars, and ornaments turn the city into a giant holiday celebration. This is the time when London transforms into a place of joy and beauty, making everyone excited for the festive season. Christmas here is a delightful blend of tradition, modernity, and festive cheer, making it a magical destination for all who visit London during this special time of the year. The city becomes a canvas of holiday magic, inviting everyone to share in the warmth and excitement of this festival. It's a time when the simple beauty of decorations turn the ordinary into the extraordinary, making the city a place of enchantment during the most wonderful time of the year. It's like the city comes to life with the spirit of the season, creating a magical atmosphere that brings people together to celebrate the joy of Christmas. These heavenly figures, each unique in its design, evoke a sense of grace and peace, turning Regent Street into a heavenly spectacle during the Christmas season. Along with the angelic display, this street is lined up with additional celestial touches, like the glittering stars as we can see here, creating a symphony of enchantment. These celestial ornaments, suspended above like enchanting jewels in the night sky, casting a magical glow that captures the essence of the holiday season. These stars are delicately crafted from shiny materials, which help them to twinkle with a brilliance that rivals even the real stars above. The combination of all these elements transforms this iconic street into a magical realm, inviting everyone to enjoy the beauty of the holiday season. Whether you are a local Londoner or a visitor from afar, strolling down the streets during Christmas is like being a part of a living holiday card. The decorations, the lights, the music, all come together to create an atmosphere of warmth, joy, and togetherness. These streets during Christmas becomes a destination, a celebration, and a reminder of the timeless magic that Christmas brings to the heart of this vibrant city. The feeling of walking through the Christmas decorated streets of London is enchanting. As you take each step, you become immersed in a festive wonderland. Every corner holds a new surprise, and every street is adorned with the magic of the season. Walking through these Christmas decorated streets of London is like stepping into a living storybook, where the spirit of the season comes alive in every glittering light, every festive decoration, and every shared moment of joy. It's a magical journey that invites you to embrace the warmth and wonder of the holidays with each step you take. I really enjoy traveling and going to new places. It's so much fun to see how people live in different parts of the world, experience their traditions, and try their delicious food. I especially love joining in their celebrations and festivals. It's like being a part of a big, joyful family wherever I go. Exploring the world and embracing different cultures is not just a hobby for me. It's a source of happiness and a way to connect with the wonderful diversity our planet has to offer. For me, festivals are like big parties where everybody is happy and celebrating. Whether it's dancing in the streets during Carnival or lighting lanterns during Diwali, each festival is a special moment that connects me to the heart of the community. And now let's talk about the food. Trying different kinds of food is one of the best parts of traveling. From spicy street food to comforting pasta, each place has its own delicious flavors. It's like a tasty journey around the world, and I love every bite of it. Exploring the world and embracing different cultures is like collecting beautiful moments. It's not just about going to new places, it's about opening my heart to all this amazing diversity that makes our world so colorful and wonderful. Traveling, enjoying festivals, and savoring delicious food are not just things I like to do. They are the ingredients that make my life an adventure worth living. So, my fellow explorers and food enthusiasts, get ready to embark on the exciting journeys and savor delicious flavors together. Join me in all my travel and food adventures by subscribing to my channel. Let's discover new places, experience different cultures, and indulge in mouth-watering cuisines from around the world. Hit that subscribe button and let's make every adventure a shared experience. Don't miss out on the fun. It's going to be a fantastic ride, trust me. For more beautiful videos like this, whether you are into breathtaking landscapes or vibrant cityscapes or a hidden gem off the beaten path, there's something for everyone. Hit that notification bell and join me on this journey of exploration and discovery. More adventures await, and I can't wait to share them all with you. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. I poured in a lots of love into creating this, and it's my special way of wishing you all a Merry Christmas this year. May it bring warmth, joy, and festive vibes to all your hearts. Feel the holiday spirit and let's celebrate together.